on our way.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. It's been a minute, so long that I got gray hairs in my beard, and I actually have a beard now. I'd like to introduce you to these two assholes, new puppies to the family. They're always biting on each other. For today's day, we're getting some Dutch Bros. Anyhow, they take forever, but it's good. So today's shenanigans, I don't know what we're gonna do, but we'll figure something out. Day off, we're taking this monkey to work. Why are you laughing?
You called me a monkey.
I only called her a monkey because she's Puerto Rican. We're not gonna talk about that. Anyways, I'll see you guys in a minute, maybe. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, sorry, forgot to. The camera's on the other side. So today's shenanigans involve the Civic. We haven't done anything to the Civic since the last time, which was almost a little over a year ago, I want to say, or maybe a year ago. I can't remember. But so yeah, the last time we did anything to the Civic was for the LEDs in the front. Now, for those who do or do not remember, we put LEDs, and they're not yellow, they just look yellow right now. We put LEDs, headlights, and or low beams and fog lights, which honestly, it looks amazing. So now we need some sounds in this thing. Now, Miss R1 does not know about this, so we've just been doing, well, it'll be the second time, but we're gonna be doing things to her car, or we're doing things to her car that she's not aware of. So they're little surprises. The downside to that is we don't know if she's gonna like it. LEDs, she didn't know about them. I just ordered them, slapped them on. It took me about 10 minutes. She loved them. She still does. This time we're going with a exhaust. That sounded weird. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna do a muffler delete. So it should give us a little bit of a noise back there. I hope I like it. I've been watching a few videos and they sound fairly nice. But you know, nothing compares to the real thing. So yeah, we're gonna go to this exhaust shop that's a couple blocks away from here. But first we're gonna get some Subway. I love their flatbread breakfast. So we're gonna take advantage of listening to, or not listening to, the car, because it's super quiet right now, to be honest. This is the reason why we are adding, or not adding, we are deleting, and it is a manual. So because this 2019 Civic is a manual, it should sound really good, especially, let me zoom out, whoop, especially when at high RPMs. So as you guys don't hear, you can't hear anything. It's super quiet. Once you get used to it, obviously you hear the motor, but other than that, you can't hear anything. Like I said, we're gonna head to Subway, get some food for the soul, and we're gonna have breakfast, and then go to the, what's it called, the exhaust shop. It's a beautiful, bright morning here in San Antonio, Texas. Let me give you a small rev so you can hear it. This is with the windows up. So can't hear nothing. Let's put the window down. That was not me. Can't hear nothing. I'm not gonna do that fly by and, you know, outside of the exhaust comparison, at least not right now. Oh, you know what, actually I might just do a small one. What's behind me? Nothing. What's next to me? That. Okay, let me put the phone, actually the phone right there, and then I'm just gonna rev it like once or twice, probably just for like to like 3,000 RPMs, 3,500. And then when we do the exhaust, we'll do another. So this is what the car sounds like as of right now, pre muffler delete. Nothing, right? And that box on the right side is what we're gonna be taking out, and hopefully that'll help out a lot. We got our Subway sandwiches. Also, follow. Don't forget to follow. Whew. All right, we got our sandwiches. Another little rub. Nothing. Now I know it's not gonna be a lot louder. But like I said, it should be a little louder. Now let's see if I can take this up to 20. Okay, 30 maybe. So that's first gear. Little pull there. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Here are the doggos. Rocking them Bulls jerseys. Oh, there it is, squatted. All right, we're done eating. Now to the muffler place. We'll see how much they charge us. Fun fact, I don't like looking around for prices, so basically whatever they charge me, that's what I'm gonna go with. Maybe.
6 hours later.
All right, y'all, so we went to the muffler shop, and unfortunately back then they didn't have time to do it, so we set up an appointment for later on, which is now. We're on our way to the muffler shop, which is perfect because now we're gonna be able to hear the difference between high RPMs and load and speed with a muffler and the muffler delete. So I'm gonna try to get it to some high RPMs, do some, not pulls, but you know, get some high RPMs and somewhat of a hard shift. There you go. That's pretty high RPMs right there. And yeah, it's very quiet, it's very nice, very tasteful. But personally, when you drive a manual vehicle, especially somewhat of a sports car, I consider this a sports car. Some people might consider it a sedan, but I think it's a sports car, especially this being a Honda Civic Sport. Right now we're on 4th gear. We're probably riding at like 4,000, 4,500 RPMs. I know Crystal got rid of the cluster, the RPM cluster. So let's do some downshifts. Okay, another downshift to 2nd. nothing. It's very quiet, very nice, like I said. But what is it? What's gonna make it nicer? It's obviously gonna be a an exhaust or a muffler delete. So we're gonna try a muffler delete first. If Miss R1 does like it, then we'll look into getting a performance. Probably just a catback, to be honest. I don't think we're gonna be doing headers, and maybe a test pipe. I don't know, we'll see. But I'm sure it's just gonna be like a catback to get that nice deep sound into it. But we gotta make sure she's comfortable with it, which, knowing her, she will. As you guys know, she has a identical R1, and she loved when I removed the baffles off of my Tills exhaust, and she can't wait to do the same. But anyways, let me get to the muffler shop. It's we got quite a bit of traffic. Don't want to sit here and keep listening to me, and you guys just want to see some action. So I'll see y'all when I get to the muffler shop. Wow. All right, y'all, we're pulling up to the shop. And let's get this going. All right, y'all, so we're up on the left. So basically what we're gonna do, or what he's gonna do, is gonna cut from here and there, and then just run it straight. And we're gonna use the same tip and everything. Should be a little louder with that big ass box out the way. But yeah, man, let's get going. I won't bore you guys with the process, so I'll see you in a bit. All right, y'all, cold start. Oh, okay. You can barely hear it, or you cannot hear it because of the music in the background. But that sounds mighty good. Oh, that sounds pretty decent. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sit you guys back here, and then I'm gonna do some revs. Man, can you guys see me anyway? Alright, y'all, so first thoughts, I actually like it. Sounds really good. Oh, that sounds really good. That's high RPMs. Let's roll up the windows. Sorry, you guys couldn't see anything. Rolling up the windows. That's not bad. That is not bad at all. It's not loud, but it's there. So I like it. We're gonna go to Ms. R1's job right now. She doesn't get out for another hour and a half. So we're gonna chill at her job. We're not gonna say anything. You can't hear it inside. So it's perfect. I'm gonna have her drive it though. She's gonna turn it on. She's gonna drive her car home, and then we're gonna get her reaction. And like I said earlier, we're gonna pretend like nothing's going on. We didn't film anything. We didn't do nothing. But I'm lying. We're gonna pretend like we're closing the vlog. Like we're ending the vlog. So it's really gonna catch her off guard. She's not gonna know what's going on. She's gonna think we're closing it. Little does she know, when she turns it on, we're gonna get her reaction. But anyways, let's get out there and see you guys in a bit.
How about we don't chew on the shoes again? I believe you chewed on that shoe. Oh shit.
I gotta close my vlog. But I gotta think about what I'm gonna say.
You want me to hold off?
No, you can go.
charger.
Same way.
Is my car broken?
Was your car broken?
Is my car broken?
No, what do you mean?
What's that noise? My car doesn't make noise.
God damn.
Okay.
You're trying to get through.
Oh, thank you.
Go, go, go.
Did you put an exhaust in my car? Is it broken?
I don't know.
Oh, there's cops. Wait, did you break my car or did you put exhaust?
No, neither one. I didn't put an exhaust.
What is that?
I don't know. Crying.
I'm modded, bro. Wait a minute. You want to race? Wait, shut up, everybody. Wait, is this for real? Wait, what'd you do?
I don't know.
My car didn't sound like this morning.
Is
there a hole in my exhaust?
No.
I wish I could go fast.
Oh, damn.
What'd you do?
What does it sound like?
An exhaust?
Oh,
Baffles? I don't know the terminology. It sounds like I'm modded. Wait, what is it? You hear that deepness? Before I had to make that noise. Wait, what'd you do? I'm gonna start crying again. I don't want to cry because then I can't see.
So then, that is what a muffler delete would sound on your car.
But you did it, so it's not wood sound.
Right.
Hey, don't make no noise. That sounds deep.
Yeah.
It doesn't sound like.
So, if you were to change it onto, I'm sure you can feel it too, but because you want to hear it,
Yeah.
so those are higher RPMs.
So what?
It's like you're already on the white.
Wait, that's.
So, there it goes. Successfully, we have done it again. We were able to kidnap her car on our day off. Sounds good.
My car's louder than yours.
That sounds really good, actually.
I love how deep it is.
We can put it back to stock whenever you want.
No, stop. Why would you do that? Let's go. I'm driving everywhere now.
So like I said, manual definitely was gonna be worth it. Save the manuals. But yeah.
I can't wait till his light turns.
Oh, the doggos. I think you sound better than that Camerologist.
I agree.
You know you're not on first, right?
Yeah, I know. I was just waiting.
Alright, so what do you think?
I love it.
First impressions.
I love it. No, I really love it. I'm super surprised. I didn't know I would actually like love it this much, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
Like, I feel like I can go super fast. Like, look at, you hear that?
So the hotter it gets, the louder it's gonna get.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep driving. We're not going.
That's what I'm telling you, keep it on first.
Don't go, Porsche. Listen to this. I'm downshifting for no reason.
Do another one.
That deepness. Man. That is when it comes back down. It is like, hey, shut up. We're gonna do that all day. That's nice.
If you keep it on, like on first,
Do that. That. Lights green. I slow down. It sounds so good. Can I be a car girl now?
sure.
I got the lights. I got the sound. I'm fucking cool. This is so exciting. Move, come on, people.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so that's gonna do it for today's video. If you made it to the end of the video, you're a real one. We're back, baby. We're gone for a minute, long minute. We're back, and I think we came back strong. It's not super loud, it just sounds very good. It's very tasteful. You can definitely appreciate those high RPMs. It just sound good. It's not loud. You know how like in some cars, the higher the RPM, the louder it gets? It doesn't. It just keeps the sound. But you let off, and as it's coming down from the RPMs, it gets louder. It's just louder.
I love it.
Anyways, yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video. If you made it to the end, you're a real one. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, comment. That sounds really good. Anyways, Isaac Mood Swings. Peace.
Peace. For no reason, just downshifting every day.